Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I post the videos regarding the CGMP compliance information which will help you to qualify the regulatory inspection towards no observation. Yes, if you will follow me, you will learn many compliance tips which I have learned from my personal experiences and which I keep on reading in the guidelines. These are very simple, but if you will follow these compliance tips, it will help you to prepare your manufacturing site for USFDA, MHRA or any regulatory inspection preparation. So if you want to grow in your career, the knowledge of compliance is must. Otherwise, you cannot survive in the pharmaceutical industry, irrespective of any department you are working. So if you want to learn the compliance, follow me. Okay, so today I have brought a very important information and important update that if you will not know this, it is possibility that you also going to get the warning letter for this non-compliance, which was used to think that it is acceptable to the regulatory information. Now, what is the information? Watch the video till the end. So, this is the practice which was used to think that it is acceptable to the regulatory authorities. But now, regulatory authority has issued the warning letter for the same thing which used to be acceptable to the auditors, right? It was thought to be acceptable to the regulatory authorities, but now it's the twist in the story. So watch the video till the end and see what's the update and why the company has got warning letter for this non-compliance. Have you ever released the product under testing? Do you have the SOP that whenever you are testing the product and it has the microbial testing, microbiological testing, right, and it takes the long time, so you release your product under quarantine? And this is the case today I am going to discuss with you. I have read so many warning letters, but this observation I thought of sharing with you by recording my message personally to every one of you, that you have to take a note of it. That I think means there are many companies and most of the companies might have the procedure where whenever they want to release the product and that product has microbial testing, right? So, and you know that there is some specific period which is required to complete the testing of microbiological testing, right? So many times it happens, and there are SOPs in many companies, that the product is released when all other tests are completed and it passes and complies the specification, and only the MLT test or any microbiological test is pending. So the product is released and shipment is sent to the customer, right? And once the shipment is reached to the customer side, and when the testing is completed and product complies, then that product is used or utilized for the specified purpose by that customer. Till date, it was thought to be that it is acceptable to the regulatory authorities. But recently, one warning letter has given by the USFDA to the pharmaceutical company, where the pharmaceutical company has sent their shipment to the customer, and they have the agreement also that whenever they will receive the shipment or any product under quarantine and the testing is not completed, they will keep that product or assignment or shipment in the quarantine and properly labeled, right? And once they receive the COA from the manufacturing company, then they will use that material for the purpose or manufacturing, or for the purpose they have purchased that material from the manufacturer. But yes, now it is not acceptable, because recently the regulatory authority has given the observation to the company that violation of 21 CFR 211.22A and D, where they have said that quality unit has not performed their responsibility properly, and they have not provided the authority to do their responsibilities, and that material was released with incomplete testing. They have said that regulatory authority clearly given the observation, and they have said this to the manufacturing company that release of the product without completing each and every test is not acceptable to the regulatory authority, and they have to do the complete testing including the micro. So I thought that it is a very important point, and which each and every manufacturing company should note. So that's why I made the recorded this video for every one of you. And yes, we have to relook into our SOPs and procedures, that whether we have any procedure in which we have specified that we are releasing the product without completing each and every testing of that product. So take a note of it and implement this thought process or these systems in your company. And if you have such SOP where you are releasing your product under testing or under quarantine, so now you will have to think over it, and you will have to change your system, and you will have to change your SOPs and procedures. Hi, I am Dr. Rupali Paranspe, founder of Blue Ocean Compliance, international best-selling author of my book Blue Ocean of Compliance, and also the TEDx speaker. So I share with all the pharmaceutical companies and pharma professionals my experience of compliance, which I have gained on working on the shop floor and working more than 23 years in the pharmaceutical industry. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me to get such regulatory updates. And if you will take one guideline and keep on reading it, and you will spend a lot of hours on it, it creates the impact. But yes, if every day you will learn something about the quality and compliance, so it will become the part of your DNA, it will become the part of your thought process. So that's why each and every day on my social media platform, on LinkedIn or other social media platforms, each and every day I share some of the nuggets of my experience. I feel that it will do some value addition in your pharma career, or it will do some value addition whenever you will take decision in the pharmaceutical industry. And yes, it will lead to the result of qualifying the regulatory inspection effortlessly and easily, right? Because each and every day you will learn something, or you will listen to something which is contributing to qualifying a regulatory inspection. And in 365 days you will listen 365 thoughts, and obviously in each and every post I share so many learnings of my learnings and my experience with you, and it is going to do value addition in your thought process. And it is believed, and it is the fact, and it is said by many people and many legends, that you are average of 5 people you spend the time with. Make me one person and see what is the impact on your manufacturing side, and write me. Okay, with this, Dr. Rupali Paranspe signing out until we meet again. Bye. Yes, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media platform. Bye. Thank you so much.